Good luck, everyone. May the odds be in your favor. 3, 2, 1. Ah! I got one of you, I know it.
You got a few.
Yeah, you got
Not a single person went for that. No, they remembered where it is. They'll be back. They always are.
I had to deal with this the whole round.
Me
too. Oh, that's just wrong.
wrong.
Oh! I knew it.
You bastard!
Get him! Blood! Blade and sorcery. He has killed us. He must follow.
No honor! Shame! Sounds like something way more interesting is going on. I should be recording.
Probably.
I throw through the mid-bridge area. Go. He's out. God damn. There's another one black building. God damn, dude. Which where? Go too far. Mid-bridge, black building, I'm pretty sure. I don't know what is mid-bridge. Over where you were sitting, Okay. That's mid-bridge? Yep, mid-bridge is right beyond that black. That's the black building for it.
And the black building I was sitting in, that's where he is?
I'm pretty sure he's on the backside, an LMG.
I killed 2 people right there. One had an LMG.
Okay, he might be gone then.
His name is Al.
Oh yeah, he's gone. It was him.
Can I get a time?
What's up?
1 minute.
For now.
Seconds.
They're pushing hard. They just keep pushing.
I'm going back on Merritt's side. That's fine.
I don't know if that's needed. We may just need to watch cannon because they just did a suicide attempt on it. They just tried a suicide attempt
I
on
think
cannon.
I'm going to go to that building again.
That
I'm
one.
going to grenade your ass, but I couldn't tuck my knee in.
Ooh.
Oh, nice. I just shot at the window while he ran at it.
How'd the pistols go?
Oh, the other one ran out.
Yeah. Are we sticking expensive things directly into smoke over here?
Yeah.
Good tactical roll, I saw that.
No, I tried.
You can have it.
There's no way. I don't think you can shoot all of us before one of us gets you. One of us is going to get you. Besides, we're within 10 feet.
You can't touch it until
Yeah,
it's
you can.
You can have it.
Yeah.
You know what?
No, you can grab. You can have. We're not gonna grab it.
Work.
We're not gonna grab it.
Hey, Den does.
Oh, you got me.
All right, next two.
Don't play with the gun.
You
No,
were
those
my
two.
brother,
Those two.
Anakin.
Back up. You're a winner.
You turned her against me.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, wait. No, yeah, no, it doesn't count.
He had iframes.
What? Trying to do an
Roll.
Elden Ring strat here?
Roll again. Roll again. No. I hit you first.
I tied you.
He hit you first.
Okay.
Now those two.
Alright.
This is not fair.
Oh, wait, yeah.
What? Wait, you can still drop that.
Wait, I follow him.
Yep.
Let's go.
Alright.
Warlord. 3, 2, 1. Get up. Oh. Now we all follow him. Now we go kill someone.
Okay.
Give him the sword. Give him the sword.
Now 2 clips I forgot I had.
This way.